My name is Achlava Takunda Tanyanyiwa. I'm a youth development and grassroots activist from Zimbabwe. I've been working in civil society and development work for the past 5 years. I'm very much drawn particularly on issues related to social justice, the empowerment of women and girls, access to education, and also the development of grassroots communities, particularly rural communities. I would say that I'm motivated to work towards those issues, particularly the empowerment and protection of women and girls, driven by my background where I grew up in a rural community where there was patriarchy and also the privilege of men. Because of that, women have not had access to key development aspects, for example, education and access to land and means of production. All these problems have perpetuated inequality that is still rampant in the context of Zimbabwe. And it is from this background that I've so much worked towards the improvement of women and girls, particularly issues to do with access to health and education, as well as economic empowerment. So today, I feel like for us to be able to empower women and develop and create an inclusive society, we need to educate them and provide them with economic means. For example, issues related to access to land is very fundamental in the context of Zimbabwe, and agriculture being one of the major economic sources of Zimbabwe, and also women constituting the highest number of labor in the agricultural sector. It is very important for me to really focus on the empowerment and protection of women's rights through education and also access to economic means. And for me, education access, particularly tertiary education, is very key for these women to be able to widen and broaden their economic choices and opportunities, at the same time having a greater chance to impact the economic growth and development of their nation. So these are some of the reasons why I've worked towards all these projects and programs, so that we empower our women and also mobilize other men to understand that they are at a point of privilege, and therefore they should also work towards empowering and creating a just society that is inclusive and also sensitive to other people's different needs and realities.